Guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks. Have I got an amazing dish for you? It's crispy Korean style fried chicken wings. Here are our lovely ingredients that we will be using to make this dish today. All of the ingredients will be listed in the link below, as is the prep of the chicken. Let's prep the dry ingredients. We will need 1 1/4 cups of corn flour, that is cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 1/2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, a good grinding of black peppercorn, onion granules, and garlic granules. Now mix all these lovely ingredients together. It's time to thoroughly coat those chicken wings with the seasoned flour. After all the chicken pieces are coated, set them aside for about 10 minutes while we make the glaze. For the glaze, you will need 1 cup of soy sauce. I'm using dark soy sauce, followed by 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of green seasoning, 1 1/2 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 red chillies, roughly chopped. Now put the heat on and let's stir that until everything is dissolved, and let that simmer for about 5 minutes to infuse all those delicious and wonderful aromatics. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. I wish you could smell it. As we are double frying, heat up your oil to 180 degrees Celsius to start the first batch of frying. I couldn't find my food thermometer, so I'm using a chopstick, a little trick I've learned from Ken Hom by watching a cookery program some years ago. Once bubbles form around the chopsticks, then you know that the temperature is right to start frying the chicken. Here we go, let's fry those wings. Look how lovely they look after the first batch of frying. Let's get ready to double fry. Before starting the double frying, heat the oil up again to 180 degrees Celsius so that it's at the right temperature. Look how golden and crispy these look. Listen to that crunch. Now that all the frying's done, it's time to drench them in this delicious glaze.
Oh my God.
And for the final flourish, sprinkle some chopped spring onions and some red chilli for a bit of heat. Now enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you won't miss when I upload a video.